Namaskar students, welcome to online learning module for class 4 EVS 2 Social Science. Previous class you had done the recapitulation of differences and similarity between globe and map. In this class we are going to discuss about political features of India. What are we going to study in political features of India? We are going to study about location of India in world map. Where is it located? We will understand the following terms such as population, peninsula and mainland. We will also study about neighboring countries of India. We will understand the position of India in terms of area and population. We will understand the meaning of political division. We will distinguish between Kanyakumari and Indra Point and will trace out their location. We will also study about states and union territories. India is located in the southern part of Asia. India consists of the mainland and two groups of islands, one in Arabian Sea and other in the Bay of Bengal. India is a very big country. It is the seventh largest country in terms of area. What does area means? Area means measurement of a surface or piece of land. The countries which are larger in area than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and India is in 7th position in terms of area. Students, you can see over here the maps of different countries. Children, our country is second largest country in terms of population. We have got 1.38 billion people in our country. The first largest country in terms of population is China. You all have learnt about thousands. So you can imagine that after thousand comes million and billion. So how large this number could be? What do you mean by term population? The total number of people living in a country. The term population tells us how many individuals live in a certain area. Now we will discuss about neighboring countries with whom India share its boundary. India shared its boundary with China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is neighbor across the sea. India is surrounded by China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north and northeast, Pakistan in the west, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east and Sri Lanka in the south. Children, you all can see directions over here. North, east, south, west. The midway between north and east is known as northeast. Midway means beach ka rasta. The midway between south and east is southeast. The midway between south and west is southwest. The midway between west and north is northwest. So suppose if a place is located between north and east, then we will say that it is in northeast direction. If a place is located between south and east, we will say it is in southeast direction. If a place is located between south and west, we will say it is in southwest direction. If a place is located between north and west, we will say it is in northwest direction. So in today's session, we discussed about location of India. Where is it located? It is located in Asia. India's position in terms of area. It is the seventh largest country in the world. India's position in terms of population. It is the second largest country in terms of population. What is the meaning of population? The total number of people in a country is known as population. We also discussed about the neighboring countries: China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka are the neighboring countries of our country.